Aaron, and thanks for watching the next Level Up Rocketry video. So look for more video uploads in the future. There's the interviews with Len and George. There's still got a few parts left, and the interview with Ari has another 1 or 2 parts to go as well. And I've managed to get in contact with an old rocketry enthusiast. So he was once a trailblazer in Australian rocketry, but hasn't been active recently, and so I look for an interview with that person coming up soon as well. So I've decided I need more technical videos. In particular, I want to do some build videos, and then I'll get back to finishing the solid state relay video as well for air starting motors. So I have plenty of unbuilt kits lying around, as well as unbuilt sort of scratch builds as well, with bits and pieces in the background here. But I thought I'd pick one of 2 rockets that are a little bit more unusual. One is the US Rockets High Test 3100, and the other is the King Viper 3. So I don't think I've ever seen anyone launching those within Australia. I could be wrong, happy to be wrong, but that's certainly, to my recollection. So the High Test 3100, it consists of 8 F29mm F motors, and those are in 2 stages. So there's going to be a few challenges with that. I'm just going to use black powder F motors for the first test before then going to use electronics in that. But that is a kit that I bought off Apogee, and they categorize it as extremely challenging. It's 2.3 meters tall, weighs 1.9 kilograms, and has a diameter of 8 centimeters. So that should be fun. King Viper 3 is the other one. So there are a few videos floating around of that being launched in the US. I've got already 3 J400SS from a previous project that I plan on using for the King Viper. So complexity is advanced, and the diameter is 14 centimeters. The height is 2.7 meters. Weight is 5.4 kilograms, and there's 3 54mm motor mounts. So it's a lock precision kit, and I bought that through Oz Rocketry a number of years ago. So, and I will include links to both those kits in the description of this video for those that are interested. Now, neither of those kits came with instructions, which is a bit interesting given the complexity of them. So what I decided to do, I can build these, I don't think without too much difficulty. I've built 3 38mm cluster rocket before and launched that successfully in iMotors. But I thought what I'd do is put it to ChatGPT and see what instructions it would come back with. So I've generated instructions for the King Viper 3 after plenty of prodding and plenty of digging around on forums and those sort of things. So I'm going to give that a try. There's the instructions right there for the King Viper 3. We'll see how that goes. And this is all the components here. You can see the motor mounts, nose cone, airframe. I did ask a friend to fiberglass these for me, but I did make the error at that stage, and we fiberglassed all of the airframe tubes in one, so I haven't left myself with an AV bay. Maybe in future I'll do that, but I'll just do it simple as motor ejection and Jolly Logic chute release. So I will have a guest builder for each of those rockets. So the King Viper 3, my son Miles wants to build that with me, and the High Test 3100, my niece Jessica wants to build that with me as well. She's always been really interested in rocketry. So let's see how the instructions go. Yeah, and that's all for now. Thank you very much for tuning in, and look forward for the build videos to start soon. Thank you very much.